Says 25 minutes. Let's see. You know what's even funnier? I just looked at my Magic Band for a watch. Ay, ay, ay. Big Thunder Mountain, here we go. That's my girl. Away we go. Woo-hoo! Wow, it got super dark. All right, Big Thunder Mountain. All right. Whoa! Woohoo! Sorry about that. That was a little bumpy. Hey, look at the camera in the mountain. They're watching us. We're watching you. Here we go. Woo, there's the goat. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Oh wait, wrong ride. And here we go. Wow. If you ever want to throw up, look through a camera while riding this ride. I may have to check my mask. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for riding the ride. That was fun. Oy, that's twice. So I hope that went well. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Because, man, I was being thrown all over the place. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. Let's go do the next thing. I think we're going to go get a treat. We like treats. Hey, everybody. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.